Hey guys, just got sent this free portable juice blender. We'll be checking it out, doing an unboxing. Let's see what we got here. So it's a portable juice blender, BPA free, rechargeable, I'm assuming. Here we go. On the top we have a little USB to micro USB cord. So some decent foam packaging here, or some nice, protection there. All right, let's see what we got here. That's it for the box. And first off, we have a juicer instruction manual. And my goodness, just a bunch of different languages and do's and don'ts. So there's that. Okay, comes with a nice super flexible, looks like I was going to say straw at first, but no, it appears to be let's see if I can get this open here, a seal. There we go, to go around the lid there. It looks like it's got some ridges on it so we can lock it in place or whatever. So there's that. All right, so this is made by Luxear, and it's got a nice grip right here. It's like silicone or something like that, and also a little lanyard. You can hang it on stuff. Let's see if that unclips or not. Not sure if it does, but we'll find out. No, it doesn't look like it unclips, but that's all right. You can hang it on a hook or something like that. On the top, we have a couple buttons. Looks like one's got a little lightning bolt on it. It's your port for powering it up, and also a button here on the top. So let's unscrew this. Okay, so this is the glass. Appears to be about 16 ounces or so. Supposed to be BPA free. One thing I just noticed, it's got a nice silicone base here, so it's got some good grip. If you set it on the counter, it's not slipping around, so that's cool. And we have our blade right here. Let's see, so it's definitely sharp. Okay, so that's good. I just tested it out to see if it's gonna run with it open, and it does not. So that is definitely a plus. How about now? Okay. So I pushed the button, but it's giving me a red dot. I did not charge this up first, so I imagine that might be the issue. It also has this sealer thing. I'm guessing that the sealer goes around there, but I will have to read the instructions and figure out what it is. First thoughts on this with the general unboxing here. It appears to be well built, sturdy. Kind of hoping that I'll be able to make my get my protein powder in there and mix it up, because sometimes you put protein powder in them in your cup and it just doesn't mix very well. So a mixer is definitely handy with that, and I like putting berries and stuff in it to make it taste better. So that'll be super handy for that. I'm going to go charge this bad boy up, and then we can do the review and a demonstration video and show what's going on here. So thanks for watching this unboxing video. If you guys want to check it out, this runs about $27 on Amazon. And I'll leave a link in the description below for that. I am an Amazon associate. I do get finder's fees basically for that. So if you want to help out the channel, that's a good way to support me as well. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you guys soon with review and demonstration. Take care. Bye.